Place sugar and warm butter in a bowl. Beat with a mixer until smooth. Add the egg and continue beating. One by one, add warm honey, spices, and flour. Mix the mixture. Knead the dough thoroughly. Place the dough in the refrigerator for half an hour or more to firm it up and make it more pliable. Roll out the dough to a thickness of approximately 5 millimeters and cut out cookies using cookie cutters. Bake in the oven at a temperature of 360 degrees Fahrenheit until golden brown, not longer than 7 minutes. Prepare the icing. Mix egg white and powdered sugar. Add a few drops of lemon juice. Beat with a mixer at low speed. Invite the children to decorate the cookies with the icing. It will bring them a lot of joy.